Here's how to draw rooms in one-point perspective. There's two versions. This is version A. First, draw an X from corner to corner of your paper. Make sure you're using a ruler. Do your best to go from corner to corner. Hold your ruler so it doesn't swivel. Next, we are going to draw a box, a rectangle. Make sure your ruler is horizontal, not slanted. Start on one of the lines of your X and end on one of the lines of your X. Now draw a vertical line. Make sure it's straight up and down, not slanted, vertical. And again, start at one of the lines of your X and end at one of the lines horizontal across the bottom. And if you've done this right, when you do your final vertical, you'll end up where you started. The middle of the X is your vanishing point. Put a dot there and erase the extra orthogonals that are now in the middle of that rectangle. Your vanishing point always stays there. Now you have a room. You've got a ceiling, a floor, two side walls, and a back wall. That's version A. Here's version B. Version B is different. You start by drawing a rectangle. It does not have to be in the center of your paper. It could be off to the side, could be slightly higher or lower, but it does need to be drawn with horizontal and vertical lines, but it can be off center. Now you need a vanishing point. It needs to be somewhere inside this rectangle you just drew. Doesn't have to be in the middle, but has to be inside. Draw a dot, label it VP. Next, you're going to draw orthogonals from the vanishing point through the corners of your rectangle, not aiming for the corners of your paper. Ignore the corners of your paper. Line up your ruler with the vanishing point through the corner of your rectangle. Vanishing point, corner of your rectangle. Go all the way off your paper. Vanishing point, corner of your rectangle. Go off the paper. And fourth time, vanishing point, corner of your rectangle. Go off the paper. Erase the extra orthogonals inside. Leave your vanishing point. Always leave it there. Never erase it. So now you've got a room. It looks different every way you turn it. Sometimes you have a big side wall, sometimes you have a big floor or a ceiling, but you've got a room. This version gives you more creative choices. So choose your version, enjoy.